Union Law Minister Veerappa Moily has announced that the new UPA government will rethink the existing laws governing homosexuality in India.
Homophobia has got to go! Homophobia has got to go!
The meeting will be chaired by Home Minister P. Chidambaram and will also be attended by Health Minister Ghulam Nabi Azad. The centre is likely to convene a meeting soon to evolve a consensus on repealing a controversial section of the Indian Penal Code which criminalizes homosexuality. The law in question, Section 377 of the Indian Penal Code, which criminalizes same-sex sexual relations in India. The law was drafted in 1860 by Lord Macaulay and prescribes a punishment of 10 years in jail for anyone found guilty.
It is sub judice to comment on that. Number two, I think Home Minister is contemplating to convene a meeting of the Health Minister and also Law Minister on this question.
There is already a writ petition has been filed in the Delhi High Court to repeal this section. So we are going to protest ask for support, and also we want to raise this issue that this law should be repealed.
We want simply that the law should be read down, which basically means that it should not apply to consensual sex in private between adults. So because we don't have strong child abuse laws against child abuse, and this law is being used also in those cases, so we want the law to stay as it is, except that it be read down not to apply to consensual sex in private between adults.
Obviously, they don't know of the harassment and torture and rape of LGBT people around the country. Hopefully, when that comes to light, the stand will be somewhat different.
One of the main demands of the parade is that this section should go. But there are numerous other demands as well. I mean, it's a wide variety of issues that we're talking about, from violence against Hijiras and Kotis to violence against lesbian women, etc. But yeah, one of the focus in this Pride Parade all across the country will be the repeal of this law.
For too long, we have ignored the rights of the lesbian, gay, bisexual and transgender community in the country. And in a sense, what the law is doing is it's criminalizing people's right to form affectionate and intimate relationships.
Article 377 has been a bone of contention in the previous UPA government, where there were considerable differences of opinion. While the then Health Minister Anbumani Ramadoss had openly talked about decriminalizing homosexuality in India, the Home Minister Shivraj Patil had strongly opposed such a move on cultural grounds.
I don't want to react to them. All I can say is that the Home Ministry should have a more progressive view. I'm not talking about the Home Minister. I'm telling the Home Ministry should have a more progressive view in consonance with today's India's progress. My issue is I want that to decriminalize the gay, the homosexuality or the MS, men having sex with men.
And as the government contemplates changes in Article 377, the second Gay Pride March is all set to be held in New Delhi. The march will begin at about 5:30 in the evening and over 1,000 people are expected to turn up for the event. Gay Pride rallies will also be held in Bangalore, Chennai and Mumbai. The first ever Gay Pride Parade was held last year in India in Delhi, Bangalore and Kolkata. Well, the government's decision incidentally comes exactly 40 years after the most famous riots involving homosexuals in New York's Greenwich Village. Considered a watershed moment in the history of homosexual rights, police stormed a gay bar, forcing hundreds of homosexuals out on the streets. Soon riots broke out and police used brute force to try and suppress the uprising. The incident is considered by many as a birth of modern gay and lesbian activism in the world.